The journey begins here, in the fertile fields, where our specialized harvesters carefully unearth the finest potatoes.
Using digital calipers, we verify the dimensions. Only the best potatoes continue along this belt to the next stage.
Here, the freshly harvested potatoes enter the stainless steel flume, where rushing water cleans and transports them efficiently to the sorting area.
The process begins with a thorough cleaning. These high-speed rotating brushes and powerful water jets ensure every potato Here, the freshly peeled potatoes are scrubbed completely clean by these powerful rotating brushes and high-pressure water.
The freshly peeled potatoes enter the washing station, where high-pressure water ensures they are perfectly clean before moving on to the next stage.
After peeling, the potatoes are inspected by our quality control team. They check each one by hand to ensure perfection before they are approved.
Our dedicated team carefully inspects every potato, swiftly removing any blemishes by hand to ensure the highest quality.
The process begins with carefully selected rice flour and wheat starch, essential for that perfect Pringles crisp.
Next, 5 kilograms of wheat starch are carefully measured before mixing.
The potatoes are rapidly sliced into uniform chips by this high-speed machinery, then carried away on the conveyor.
The cooked slices are inspected for flexibility and translucency, a crucial step in maintaining our quality standards.
The cooked potato slices are rapidly transported along the conveyor belt towards the mashing machine, overseen by our dedicated quality control team.
Here, the potatoes are pressure cooked before being mashed and blended with water and the famous Pringles spices.
Here we see the specialized machinery pressing the potato dough into thin, uniform sheets, ready for cooking.
The dough is spread thin across this specialized rotating surface. The intense heat causes rapid
After cooking, the crispy chips are efficiently transported down the line for seasoning and packaging.
After cooking, the perfectly formed Pringles move rapidly through the factory on high-speed conveyor belts.
Here, the chips are rapidly sorted by state-of-the-art machinery, ensuring only the highest quality product makes it to the next stage.
The chips are regularly weighed at this station to ensure perfect consistency in every can.
Straight from the fryer, the warm chips cascade into the blending drum, where they will receive their signature seasoning blend.
Inside the mixer, the specialized blades begin the vital task of blending our signature potato dough.
Here, in the mixing phase, the precise blend of dry ingredients meets the wet base, creating the signature Pringles dough.
Our specialized dough is blended in industrial mixers, achieving that smooth, elastic consistency essential for every Pringle.
The mixing is complete. The dough is now inspected to ensure the perfect consistency before it is rolled thin and cut.
Once mixed, the potato dough is allowed to proof, expanding significantly before it's ready for the next stage of shaping.
The sheeting process is crucial. The dough passes through several sets of rollers, progressively getting thinner.
The dough sheets are carefully monitored by our team before moving on to the next stage of the process.
The thick potato dough is fed into these massive rollers, where it is compressed and stretched into a thin, uniform sheet.
The dough is precisely flattened here, ensuring every chip meets our quality standards before moving to the high-speed cutters.
The specialized dough is then rolled into thin sheets before our precision cutters stamp out the iconic saddle shape.
As you can see, the dough is cut into the famous curved shape. The surrounding lattice is then separated and reused, ensuring efficiency.
The dough is precisely cut and placed into these specialized molds, ensuring the iconic curved shape before frying.
The precisely cut dough shapes are conveyed directly into our industrial fryers. The hot oil causes them to puff up instantly.
Once fried to a perfect golden crisp, the chips are lifted, allowing the excess oil to drain before moving on to seasoning.
As the freshly formed chips move down the line, this advanced sensor scans for imperfections, ensuring only the best Pringles make the cut. The chips now move along the high-speed conveyor belt, perfectly seasoned and ready for the next stage.
After the drying process, the perfectly seasoned chips cascade into the mixing drum before being rapidly cooled and stacked.
The seasoning process is crucial for flavor, ensuring every crisp is perfectly coated in this rotating drum. The chips cascade into these large, rotating drums, where they receive a generous coating of our signature orange seasoning powder.
The chips are now evenly coated with their signature seasoning as they move towards the packaging line.
The freshly seasoned chips move quickly along the conveyor belt, heading towards the weighing station.
The chips are then dried and cooled by these large industrial fans before packaging.
Our factory workers perform continuous quality checks, examining the seasoning and texture of the crisps as they move along the belt. After seasoning, the chips are quickly scooped and channeled into the bags. A precise heat seal locks in the flavor, ready for distribution.
A continuous stream of golden brown chips moves efficiently towards the state-of-the-art packaging machinery. The chips flow continuously along the high-speed conveyor, ensuring every single one is perfectly coated with our unique flavor.
After being sliced, the golden brown chips are evenly coated with their signature seasoning as they travel down the line.
Utilizing a precise multi-head weigher, the seasoned chips are combined into exact weight batches, ensuring consistency in every can. Once seasoned, the chips are stacked and rapidly transferred into the airtight container by our high-speed, precision machinery.
The journey begins as the cans are swiftly transported to the filling station, where they will receive their precise portion of crispy chips.
Our state-of-the-art machinery fills hundreds of cans every minute, ensuring perfect stacks every time.
The conveyor system moves the freshly filled cans at high speed towards the sealing station, ensuring peak freshness.
Here, the automated system precisely stacks the iconic saddle-shaped chips, ensuring every can is perfectly filled before moving to the sealing stage. The filled cans race along the conveyor towards the sealing station. Advanced automation ensures the signature lids are applied with speed and precision. Next, the iconic foil seal is applied, using precise heat technology to lock in the freshness. Once sealed, the iconic red cans begin their high-speed journey down the line, ready for packaging. From the sorting line, the freshly stamped lids are precisely lifted by robotic arms and moved to the high-speed canning area.
The boxes are swiftly sealed by our high-speed taping machine before moving to the next stage.
Once packed, the boxes travel down the line where they are scanned and sorted. A robotic arm then carefully arranges them for shipping.
The factory utilizes advanced automation, with this multi-jointed arm using suction to gently lift the cans without causing damage.
The robotic arms precisely stack the finished Pringles cans, preparing them for shipment around the world.
Once stacked, the pallets move to the wrapping station, where a layer of durable plastic film ensures the Pringles remain secure until they reach the store.
In the final stage of the process, the pallets are tightly wrapped in protective film by this state-of-the-art machinery.
The finished Pringles are loaded onto trucks, ensuring they reach stores fresh and on schedule.